We start tonight with our coronavirus coverage. As Vermont grapples with a record number of cases, legislative leaders believe Governor Phil Scott is following a plan that is no longer viable. Local 44's Devin Bates joins us tonight live in the newsroom with more on this. Devin?
Right, Lauren. House Speaker Jill Krowinski and Senate Pro Tem Balint are calling on Governor Scott and his administration to crack down on COVID. The Delta variant has shown no signs of letting up, and they say the status quo is unacceptable. Vermont's leaders in the House and Senate want to see a mask mandate back in place after a 9-day stretch that saw 5 of Vermont's largest daily COVID case counts.
I frankly feel like I'm hitting a brick wall with the administration when it comes to agreeing on certain tactics or tools that we can implement to help mitigate the spread.
House Speaker Jill Krowinski said parents, healthcare providers, educators, and business owners are burnt out and in need of leadership.
If we're just suggesting to people that they should mask when they can, that's not going to be enough to pull down these numbers and to keep people safe. And that's why it's so important that it comes from the governor.
Senate Pro Tem Balint said it's not just case counts prompting this sense of urgency, it's the dire outlook now faced by Vermont hospitals and intensive care units.
I believe as of this morning there were only 5 ICU beds available around the state. And so what that means as we're heading into flu season, right, that you're going to have other people with other diseases other than COVID that are also going to need intensive care. And if we are still dealing with a surge in coronavirus, we're not going to have those beds available to other people as well.
A meeting is in the works with Governor Scott on Monday, but if the legislature reconvenes in January and the situation hasn't changed, lawmakers could attempt to take some matters into their own hands.
What we're talking about is just sensible public health measures. What I'm hearing is people feel like they, after having so much support from us at state government, that they're feeling a little bit like they've been left to fend for themselves, and it's not a good feeling.
Now, one of the things Senator Balint mentioned was giving towns more freedom to set their own mask mandates. We reached out to the governor's office for comment today. No response at this time. Live in the newsroom, Devin Bates, Local 44 News.